Anthropic just gave Claude human superpower. It has officially learned how to dream. This isn't a sci fi, it's a massive upgrade for cloud managed agents. Before this, you had to teach your AI every single time you started a chat. It forgot your style, your preferences, and the lesson learned in the last session. But with the new dreaming feature, Claude now revisits your past conversations while you are away. It identifies patterns and consolidates its memory exactly like a human brain does during sleep. Not only that, AI agents usually write to local memory as the bug, but over time, that memory gets cluttered. That's where dreams come in. While you are away, Claude pulls a night shift. It reads its messy memory alongside your past transcripts to merge duplicates and replace old errors with the latest, most accurate facts. It scans through past sessions and asks itself, what are the user's preferences? What mistakes did I make that I should avoid next time? The best part, it is completely non destructive. Claude produces a new memory store for you to review. If you don't like the results, just discard it. And you are always the one in control of its brain. Claude reviews recent sessions to verify memory and surface new learnings. It doesn't just store data, it understands the context of your relationship with the tool. Is an AI that dream cool? Or is it something that we can't control anymore?